In this video we're going to show you how to remove the rear boot lock from an Audi A3 8P. It's years 2004 to 2012. The tools you'll need for the job: a ratchet with a 13mm socket, a small flat screwdriver, some trim removal tools and a T25 Torx. First step is to open the boot and undo the two T25 Torx screws that you can see on the inside. Using your trim removal tool, get it in the gap between the plastic cover and the boot lid. Start in the corner, pry it down, and the clips just pop in. They are quite stiff. Sometimes it feels like you're going to break it, but you just have to go for it. And that's it, removed. As you can see, they're the clips, they're the positions of the clips. There's 4 on each side. Now you've got access to the back of the boot lock. Remove the plastic cover, that just pulls off. And then pop the little white plastic clip over on the rod. Once you've slid the little plastic clip to one side, the rod will just pull out. And then the emergency boot release lever, that just comes off. If you turn it to one side, you've got access there to two 13mm bolts. Undo those. When they're undone, that'll pull down, and then there's a connector on the back, a 2-wire connector on a plug. Just get a small flat screwdriver and just pop each side up, and that'll come away, and that's the boot lock removed from the vehicle.